Hello kiddos! Today we are going to draw an apple. So let's get started. This apple has two eyes and a mouth. Now let's draw the fork and the knife. Now let's quickly draw the outline so that we can color easily.
Ride without them. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Now I am putting the red color. And now it's time for the magic. Abracadabra, magic. Wow! See, the apple is looking around. Now I am putting the light yellow color. Now I am putting the dark blue color.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step.
It's time to color the knife now. I am putting the dark yellow color. I'm putting the purple color now.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
It's time to put red color once again. our apple is ready to eat. Wanna have a bite?